If you're new to Fusion 360, one of the first things you must know is how to navigate around Fusion's environment. I'm going to show you the top 3 mouse functions you need to memorize in order to pan, zoom, and fly around your model in 3D space. And after that, I'm going to quickly show you a tool I use almost as much as mouse functions. This tool allows you to snap to commonly used perspectives in Fusion. It's a lifesaver, so stick around. Function number 1. Hold down the mouse wheel while moving the mouse. This allows you to move your perspective from side to side and up and down. Function number 2. Roll the mouse wheel forward and backward to zoom in and out. Function number 3. This one is my favorite. Hold down the Shift key while pushing down the mouse wheel. Now move your mouse around. This allows you to fly around in an orbit around your model. So what happens when you zoom and pan and fly around so much that you get lost in 3D space and can't tell up from down? This happens to me a lot. Before I show you this life-saving tool though, I want you to know that I have created a few quick tutorials on how to create simple models in Fusion 360. I provided the links down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe. I plan to release quick dive Fusion 360 tutorials like this one on a regular basis. And while you're down there, you might as well hit that like button if you're getting any kind of benefit from this video. Okay, now for the cool tool. Up in the right corner, you'll notice a cube. To the top left of the cube is a house icon. If you get lost and want to go back home, click this house icon. See how the perspective changes to orient us back to a sensible position? Now, as you work in Fusion, this little icon will become your best friend. But wait, there's more. The cube represents your model. Click on the top of the cube to change your perspective to a top view, meaning you're looking down at the object from the top. Use the arrows around the cube to flip the cube in that direction, which in turn flips your model in that direction by a quarter of a turn. Use the curved arrows at the right and top of the cube to turn your model in a clockwise or counterclockwise direction. Now I realize all this sounds extremely basic, but navigation is one of the things we tend to just gloss over. However, it's the one super important piece of information we must know in order to do almost anything in Fusion 360. Thanks for watching this tutorial. I'll see you in the next one.